Good morning, everybody. I am Aparna Bedi Tiwari, Council Member of Wiki Karnataka, and I run a preschool with the name of Wow Kids at Hulimavu, Bangalore. The topic today, which I am going to talk about, is bullying. What is bullying? Who is bullying and who is being bullied? What are the causes of being bullied? What are the types of bullies? What are the impact of being bullied? And who are the target audience? Soft target, I should say, those who are being bullied. What is the reason for someone to bully someone else? Bullying starts from a very small age at the kindergarten itself. So we as a teacher, as a mother, as a parent can do something to help those people who are being bullied, those children who are being bullied, and we at the same time have a great role to not let other children bully some other child. So, what is the role of the society to help prevent bullying? Mostly we ignore. Mostly we don't give so much importance to the children who are being bullied, and we speak a little bit to them and let it go. So we should not do that. We should talk to the child, we should counsel the child, we should do certain thing, and at the same time it is very important to stop those children who are bullying some other children. It is very important. We as a teacher, as a mother, as a society person, we live in this society and we are responsible for this. So we'll talk about it in detail. I'll show you some pictures and try to cover the issue, and later on I would like to do something wherein I can help and encourage the children who are being bullied, and also at the same time I would definitely try to see why other children bully some child who is not having any problem. That child is not a problem child, that child is not having any issue, that child may be little different, that child is not the part of the herd, that child may not just behave like anybody else. That child may like to behave and sit in a different manner, talk in a different manner, may not be very much social child, but it doesn't mean that you need to bully that child. So let's start. I will take the slides and I will tell you some details about the problem of bullying.
Bullying is when someone repeatedly and on purpose says or does mean or harmful things to another person who has a hard time defending himself or herself. Basically, there are four types of bullying: physical bullying, verbal bullying, social bullying, and cyberbullying. Any one of these bullyings are very stressful, and the children have difficulty to cope up and mingle with other children if they are bullied. They may go through isolation, have lots of problems like anger, increase in anger. They go through depression sometimes. They face certain kind of illness, and they also face humiliation by the people. Kids who are bullied are more likely to exhibit depression and anxiety. There are change in the sleep and eating patterns. They lose the interest in activities they used to enjoy. They have health complaints, and there is decrease in academic achievement and school participation. Many times they remain absent and don't go to school regularly. Such children have to suffer some injuries, they may have lots of fear, they go through embarrassment, their self esteem goes low, they suffer depression and anxiety, and there is a risk of suicide. They may also have headaches, muscle pain, there may be problem in digestive system, weight change, altered immune function, and there may be possible a problem with the heart disease. If the case is severe, they start smoking, they use alcohol, they face mental health problems, and many other such problems like they are drop out from the schools, they are at early risk of sexual activities, and really they go through very bad times. We as a society have to team up and help those who are going through this kind of bullying. How parents and teachers can help and stop bullying in schools. How can teachers stop other children bullying? As a teacher and a mentor, they have to tell and guide, don't bully, be a friend. There has to be strong anti-bullying guidelines in the school. School should provide clear definitions of bullying, state locations where bullying might take place. School has to describe the consequences of bullying incidents and include a statement of rights to other legal recourse. At home too, we have to take care and stop bullying. It all starts at home. We have to ensure and make our children bully proof for life. If as a parent you will not help, then who will help? Michael Phelps, Priyanka Chopra, and Kate Winslet are the big celebrities. They have also gone through bullying. Ignore. Ignore people who talk behind you. Behind every successful person lies a pack of haters. We can stop bullying. Together we can do it. Stop bullying. Be helpful. Be kind.
I hope what I have mentioned in this video has helped you to understand the problem, and you as a mother, as a teacher, or as a person of this society, as a member of the society, would encourage the children who are suffering from bullying and also do something to stop others who bully these children. So thank you very much. Please do something about it. It's a serious thing. We should certainly take care of it. Thank you. Namaskar.